In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, and if your keyboard is launched, at the top left corner of it. Either way, after you tap, you will see this pop-up. Now, unfortunately, while testing this video for you guys, I discovered that you cannot add already existing audio file. But you can record it here and add it right away. To do that, tap on audio, but be aware that after you tap on it, it will start record right away. So deep breath, click, and start recording. When you're done with your message, click on this red button. Now you can listen to it by tapping on play button. And if you decided you want to say some more, click on this plus next to timestamp and continue your message. You can discard it thanks to this X on the left, or save it thanks to this arrow on the right. As you can see, I don't have my SIM card, but it will work for you. Now, if you want to add already existing video file, you can actually do that. To do it now, use the same plus and tap on Photos. Now, if you see your video here, click on it, and it will be automatically attached. If you can't see it though, don't worry, just scroll down. Then you can look for it in Collections or Photos at the top. Click on your video and add it thanks to this checkmark at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, scroll again, and this time go into Photos to use one of those tools. You can tap on this magnifying glass at the bottom right corner, type in whatever you want to, and this way find your video. You can also click on those three dots at the bottom left corner and pick one of those options, like filter or sort by. Either way, when you're ready, click on the same checkmark again. If you want to create and add video file within Messages app, you can do that too. Come on. Just tap on the same plus again and tap on camera located at the top of the pop-up. Now, you need to switch from photo to video by clicking on Wait Video at the bottom. When it's yellow, that means that video is on. Now, most people don't know that you should click on video again to access all of those options. You can also manage all of those above the shutter and those ones at the top of your screen. If you decided you don't want to record anymore, just click on this X at the top left corner to close your camera. I will record my video though. Pause it or unpause it thanks to this button on the left, and end it by tapping on the shutter again. Now you have many options here. If you won't like your video, you can retake it by clicking at the top left corner and starting over. You can tap on Edit at the bottom left corner to use all of those options. If you want to go back without them, hit Cancel at the top left corner, and to save them, Done at the top right one. You can also tap on Done at the top right corner to add your video to your message, or to send it right away, this arrow at the bottom right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!